Welcome to Road Ready Review. Today, we're looking at a legend reborn, the 2026 Hindustan Ambassador EV. This electric sedan combines heritage, modern technology, and sustainability. Let's explore its design, features, and performance. The 2026 Hindustan Ambassador EV brings back the iconic design of India's most beloved car, now with a futuristic electric powertrain. Under the hood, or rather under the floor, sits a cutting-edge 60 kWh battery pack powering an electric motor that produces 200 horsepower and 350 Nm of torque. With an estimated range of 400 kilometers on a full charge, it's perfect for city drives and long journeys alike. The front of the Ambassador EV retains its signature charm but gets a modern update. The classic chrome grille is now sleeker, with an illuminated Hindustan Motors logo at the center. The LED headlights are circular with a vintage-inspired DRL pattern, paying tribute to its heritage. The bumper is redesigned for aerodynamics, featuring air vents for battery cooling and a skid plate for added durability. From the side, the Ambassador EV maintains its iconic silhouette but with a more refined finish. The high roofline ensures ample cabin space, while the frameless side glass gives it a premium feel. Rolling on 18-inch diamond-cut alloy wheels, it blends classic elegance with a modern stance. The body-colored door handles are flush with the surface, enhancing aerodynamics while preserving its timeless look. At the rear, LED taillights wrap around the classic sloping trunk, while the rear bumper houses a diffuser-like element, emphasizing its electric credentials. The charging port is subtly integrated into the rear fender for easy access. The Ambassador EV is a perfect fusion of nostalgia and innovation. Step inside the 2026 Hindustan Ambassador EV, and you're greeted with a luxurious yet minimalist cabin. The dashboard combines wood and leather accents, creating a rich and inviting atmosphere. At the center, a massive 12.5-inch touchscreen infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless connectivity. The side doors are lined with soft-touch materials and ambient lighting, adding a premium feel. The push-button gear selector replaces the traditional lever, and the illuminated start-stop button is placed conveniently on the center console for easy access. The steering wheel is a blend of retro and modern design, featuring a two-spoke layout with integrated controls for audio, cruise control, and digital instrumentation. The digital driver's display provides real-time data on battery status, navigation, and driving modes. The Ambassador EV retains its spacious and comfortable seating arrangement. The front seats are well cushioned with heating and ventilation functions, ensuring comfort for all passengers. In the rear, the Ambassador lives up to its legacy of unmatched space, featuring two executive-style seats with a foldable center table, making it ideal for professionals and luxury seekers. Cargo space is generous, thanks to a deep trunk and a small front storage compartment, or frunk, providing extra room for luggage. Despite being an electric vehicle, the Ambassador EV doesn't compromise on practicality or luxury, making it a standout in the modern EV market. The 2026 Hindustan Ambassador EV is expected to start at 25 lakh rupees, $30,000, for the base model, with higher trims reaching up to 35 lakh rupees, $42,000. With its premium features, nostalgic appeal, and eco-friendly powertrain, it's set to be a game-changer in India's EV space. The new Ambassador EV perfectly blends tradition with modernity, offering a stylish, powerful, and sustainable driving experience. This legend is back and better than ever. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates from Road Ready Review.